Here at the Hawk Firm, we handle all areas of criminal defense, from a misdemeanor all the way up to your serious violent felonies. Anytime you are arrested or dealing with the police at all at any point in an investigation, whether you have been arrested or it's just an initial investigation, it's very crucial that you have a lawyer involved as early on as possible to protect your rights. So one thing that I always tell clients in the initial consultation, I always get the question, what can I expect? What will my outcome be? What can you promise will happen with me? And one thing I always tell everyone is that, I'm a straight shooter. I expect that in return, and I will never guarantee you anything. And the reason being is when you're coming to me in the beginning and we first start taking a look at what's going on, you're telling me about your case. I have not seen any discovery, any evidence in the case. So asking me to tell you what kind of outcome I would have is like asking me to really look in a dark room and tell you what's in there. There's no way I could do that, and I'm not the type of attorney that's just gonna try to lie to you to get your money. So one thing I can guarantee you is here at the Hawk Firm, when you retain us as your criminal defense attorneys, myself and Mr. Jock Hawk, we fight for each and every client that hires us. And when you're going through, whether it's a misdemeanor case or it's a felony case, it's life-changing. And you want to make sure that you have someone that is willing to fight for you and willing to take it to trial if that is where it needs to go. And here at the Hawk Firm, we do try cases. We try cases very successfully. We have many years of trial experience. And so that is something that we bring to the table to help all of our clients. And ultimately, with any of our clients, our number one goal is to keep you out of jail. And that's even early on. If we are retained early on, our number one thing is if you're still in jail and you don't have a bond, we go to fight to get a bond to get you out of jail. So if you've been charged with a crime, I would strongly suggest to give us a call here at the Hawk Firm. I have phone calls that I receive daily, and sometimes it's later on in cases and things have already taken place that we can't really do anything about at this point. So if you've been charged with a crime, you can give us a call. Check out our website. You can also submit an online inquiry through the website or stop by the office. And if you're dealing with something, we want to hear from you as soon as possible so we can provide you with help. Here at the Hawk Firm, we are a small firm, and an advantage of working with a smaller firm is you know who you're working with. We have been in this community for a very long time, and when you come in, the attorney that you meet at your consultation will be the attorney that is with you throughout every step of the way. We have two criminal defense attorneys here. It's myself and Mr. Jock Hawk, and we both handle all of the criminal matters from the date that we're hired till trial. So we are the only ones that you would work with. You don't have to worry about some additional associate coming onto your case that doesn't really know what's going on, doesn't really know you, because we're with you from the very beginning. You can rest assured is that you are getting a firm that has a proven track record of success in jury trials of all different types of criminal cases. And you're guaranteed to have zealous lawyers who will fight for you every step of the way. At Hawk Law Firm, you're treated like family. We treat each and every one of our clients as if they are a member of our family. And when I handle any criminal matter, I always treat my client as if I was the client. I would treat my client exactly how I would expect to be treated by an attorney. Here at the Hawk Firm, all the criminal matters are handled by two attorneys, myself and Mr. Jock Hawk. So if you do retain the Hawk Firm, I will be handling your case as well as Mr. Hawk personally. If you contact the Hawk Firm for a criminal case consultation, we're gonna meet with you. You can come into the office, or we do phone consultations as well. You will meet with one of the criminal defense attorneys here, either myself or Mr. Hawk, and we will gather all of the information that you have, that you know about your case, such as the facts. We want to know what happened, when it happened, is someone alleging happened? What is the other side maybe saying, took place. We'll also want to know any witnesses that you may have, their names, contact information, so that we can go ahead and start investigating this case as soon as we are retained.